Hi folks, I have another clean water systems instructional video for you today. Today we're going to compare our standard 5900 BT air injection system with our new 5900 BT side air injection system. So these systems are going to apply to both our sulfur air catalytic carbon media and our Pro-Ox air, the Pro-Ox and ChemSorb systems. The main difference between these two systems is where the air draw is pulled in. On the standard, the air draw is pulled in, the air is pulled right here at the top of the tank. On the side, the air actually comes up through the bottom of the tank. So this does a couple things for you. First of all, the bottom injection gives the air more time to dissolve up through the water coming up through the tank. The second is, because this valve is no longer exposed to this air pocket on the side system, it requires less maintenance. The standard systems, we recommend yearly maintenance. You basically pull the valve apart, replace the stem and seal kit, clean your piston up. Depending on the iron content in your water, you may need to do this more frequently. The side air is going to require this maintenance maybe every 2 years or 3 years, so a lot less maintenance. Even though the maintenance is not a super big deal, usually most of our customers, it takes them a half an hour to do this. It is something that's required. The other big difference between these two systems is the space, obviously. The side system takes up more space, and the side system does cost hundreds of dollars more. So it is a little more pricey, but it's a trade-off for your less maintenance, your yearly maintenance. So anyway, that's all for today, folks. Thanks.